automatic metal tube flanger equipment supplier. It provides precise and consistent flanging results for both paper and metal cans. The accuracy ensures a uniform and professional finish, enhancing the sealing effect and quality of the cans. The machine is also equipped with an automatic control system, allowing for easy operation and adjustment. This simplifies the production process and reduces the need for extensive operator training. It has a high production speed, capable of handling a large volume of cans in a short period.